Hello dear students, let's deal with R.K. Narayan's the most famous novel, The Guide. R.K. Narayan, well-known English writer, was born in 1906 and died in 2001. His full name was Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer, and he is known as a pioneer of English literature. He was born in Madras and he was born in Brahmin family on 10th October 1906. R.K. Narayan, along with Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao, constitutes the trio of the Indian English novel. He created a fictional South Indian town called Malgudi, in which all his works are set up. So Malgudi is a fictional town. His work highlights the social context and everyday life. Short stories are compared with Guy de Maupassant because he has the ability to compress a narrative. Let's see the major works of R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan devoted his life completely in writing after working as a schoolmaster. His major works are Swami and Friends, The Bachelor of Arts, Dark Room, Malgudi Days, The English Teacher, The Financial Expert, The Guide, The Man-Eater of Malgudi, God, Demons and Others, Vendors of Sweets, A Horse and Two Goats, The Painter of Signs, The Emerald Truth, A Tiger of Malgudi, Talkative Man, The World of Nagaraj and Grandmother's Tale. Now let's talk about The Guide. The Guide is the most popular novel of R.K. Narayan. It was written in 1956 and published in 1958. For this novel, R.K. Narayan got Sahitya Academy Award in 1960. Later on, he was awarded with Padma Bhushan in 1964, and a University of Leeds conferred on him the most precious D.Litt in 1967. Now, we'll focus ourselves on The Guide. The Guide is the story of Raju, who plays several roles in his life, sometimes as a vendor, sometimes as a guide, sometimes as a manager of a dancing girl, and sometimes as a prisoner and a martyr saint. This novel, The Guide, is divided into two parts. The first part deals with Raju's childhood, his affair with Rosie till he was convicted, and the second part deals with Raju's transformation into the Swami after his release from the jail. Now in this novel, Raju is the narrator of the first part, and the second part is narrated by the novelist himself. The novel is divided into 11 chapters of unequal length, and as just I mentioned that the setting of R.K. Narayan's literature is Malgudi, therefore the setting of The Guide is Malgudi. The novel follows the techniques of double narration and a sort of past-present technique. And there are 3 episodes, and Raju plays an important role in all these 3 episodes. In the first episode, Raju is a railway guide. In the second episode, he is a trainer and a lover, as well as a manager. And in the third episode, he is Mahatma or a saint. Now let's focus on Raju. Raju is the hero of the novel. The whole story revolves around him. He comes before the reader in various forms, like a railway guide, a passionate lover, a criminal, and finally as a saint or Swami or Mahatma. Another important character in the novel is Rosie or Nalini. She is the heroine of the novel. She is daughter of a Devdasi. She is MA in economics. Marco marries her to help her to rise in status, but her love for dance is condemned by Marco. Rosie had charming personality. Raju fell in love with her at first sight. He becomes her dance master, then she becomes a professional dancer called Nalini. Third important character in the novel is Marco. Marco is husband of Rosie. He has a keen interest in archaeological studies and in ancient paintings. He comes to Malgudi to find out the ancient treasure of art. Now, R.K. Narayan's The Guide. This novel was adapted as a movie also and starred by Devanand and Wahida Rahman with the same name, Guide. The novel revolves around Raju's life. It focuses on the life and growth of Raju, who is born in Malgudi. Raju is the son of a sweet shop owner. After the death of his father, he continues his family business. He is shown as a very adaptable person. He becomes whatever people and the life want him to become. He has no professional training, but due to his knowledge of local landmarks and the buildings of Malgudi, very soon he becomes a tourist guide at the railway station in Malgudi. Raju has a pleasant personality and his interpersonal skill allows him to win the trust of tourists who visit the village Malgudi. He gets nicknamed as Railway Raju. His life is changed when he meets Rosie. One day, a stern and dry academic tourist named Marco arrives at Malgudi. He meets Raju and gets his services. After a few days later, his wife Rosie arrives. Raju is attracted towards beautiful Rosie. She's a gorgeous dancer, but her husband doesn't like her dancing. As Raju notices unhappy relationship between the husband and the wife, he traps Rosie. She is attracted to Raju as he appreciates her dancing. And Marco is always busy in his archaeological studies and therefore he neglects his wife Rosie. Raju seduces Rosie and spends time with her. Ultimately, Marco comes to know about their affair and being unhappy with the relationship between Rosie and Raju, he leaves her at Malgudi and goes to Madras. Rosie stays with Raju in his house. Raju's mother tolerates her for some days, for some time. But when things become intolerable for her, she goes away with her brother, leaving Raju to look after Rosie and her house. Raju launches Rosie as a dancer and gives her name Nalini. Very soon, Nalini becomes popular as a professional dancer. Raju becomes her manager. He lives lavishly as the earnings increase enormously. Raju forges Nalini's signature to obtain valuable jewelry from her husband Marco. This forgery takes Raju to jail. Rosie leaves Malgudi and goes to Madras. She goes to her hometown. After release from the jail, Raju takes shelter in a deserted temple on the banks of river Sarayu. The simple villagers take him to be a Mahatma. They worship him. Raju is happy and comfortable with his new role as a saint or as a Mahatma because the villagers bring a lot of eatables for him. However, very soon there is a severe drought and the villagers expect Raju to undertake a fast. Raju is forced to undertake fast. On the 12th day of the fast, Raju falls down exhausted. There are signs of rain on the distant horizon. It is not certain whether Raju is actually dead or just fainted. But the novel comes to an abrupt close with a note of ambiguity. So dear students, this is the story, interesting story of R.K. Narayan's The Guide. Thank you.